Hello students, today we are going to talk about our food. We eat a variety of food items every day. Food gives us energy to survive. Rice, bread, meat, milk, fish, chicken etc. are some food items that we eat. We get food from plants and animals. Rice, maize, wheat, etc. are the plant sources of our food. Similarly, we get eggs, meat, milk etc. from animals. In Nepal, different types of crops, fruits and vegetables are grown in different regions. The main foods of Himalayan region includes potato, barley, buckwheat, millet etc. The main foods of hilly region includes rice, wheat, maize, potato, etc. Similarly, the main foods of TERAI region includes rice, wheat, potato, etc. Foods are rich in nutrients that are essential for survival, growth and development of body. We eat foods to get energy. We should eat nutritious foods. Well, this is all for our foods. Thank you.